The Evolution series offers unique solutions for complete machining of your workpieces. The vertical machining centers from HOLZ-HER have proven themselves in workshops thousands of times and convince with their versatility, simple operation and extremely stable design. On less than 5 square meters, the Evolution 7402 format offers the possibility to completely format panels on all 4 sides, saw back wall grooves and drill all connector holes. The operator is free to choose whether the finished workpiece is returned to the loading station for efficient one-man operation or whether it is to be produced in throughput. Stable roller conveyors and supports ensure gentle and precise workpiece transport. For the absolutely precise milling of all 4 workpiece edges, the joining dimensions can be preset exactly on the in-feed fence of the Evolution 7402 format. Panels up to 2500 mm long and 920 mm wide and weighing up to 75 kilograms can be processed without additional support of the workpiece. The fully automatic workpiece thickness adjustment allows material thicknesses from 8 to 70 mm without any setup effort. Even very small workpieces with 20 to 70 mm are no problem. The material protecting vacuum cups, in combination with the energy-saving EcoVac system, are ideally positioned in relation to the workpiece, fully automatically and software controlled. The vacuum is activated via the ergonomically mounted mushroom button, and then the machining program is started. Different suction cups can be used depending on the material, the plate size and the weight of the workpieces. This ensures safe handling even of sensitive panel surfaces and for modern solid surface and composite materials. Every Evolution comes with a fully equipped drill head for line and horizontal drilling in X and Y direction, as well as a grooving saw. Even more versatility and variability can be achieved with the optional XL drill head. Instead of regular grooving saw, an 8.5 mm grooving disc can also be used on the sawing station in the drill head. This makes the processing of furniture components with 8 mm back panels, including all necessary drillings, even faster and more efficient. The powerful standard milling spindle is supported with a diamond-tipped formatting cutter, recommended by HOLZ-HER for best machining quality. The results are precisely formatted workpieces, perfectly machined on all edges and the surface. A further highlight is the workpiece length measurement via the laser supplied with each Evolution, especially for workpieces that already have edges and are to be drilled on the Evolution. This guarantees an exact position of the connecting and linear holes. Fluctuations in the edge thickness are automatically compensated by the software. In order to check the height of the workpiece and compare it with the activated machining program, the Evolution CNC offers an optional laser plausibility check. The workpiece is measured by a fast test run, thus minimizing operator errors and material waste. The Campus software package included in the machine offers a wide range of field-tested macros for easy operation, allowing to quickly generate the necessary machining programs. Via the so-called Easy Snaps, the operator always sees the reference points from which the program is programmed, an important feature to avoid machining errors and thus scrap. Especially for the vertical Evolution models, the option of automatic bridging for cutouts in worktops is also extremely helpful. For very long workpieces, the scene module contained in the software also calculates several clamping situations. For complex machining operations, these clamping scenarios can also be influenced very easily using a standard macro. Thanks to the open interface to post-processors, HOLZ-HER machining centers also offer enormous flexibility in data transfer from leading CAD, CAM programs. as here with the kitchen designed in the cabinet control software, CNC programs can be transferred to the machining center and processed without detours and further programming effort. Also, standard and of growing importance is the professional DXF import of components from CAD software. With suitable layers, the CAD drawing can even be placed directly on the work center and thus virtually on the machine table and then processed immediately. Optionally, the standard process simulation of machining operations can be extended to the BetaSim 3D simulation with material removal shown here. The so-called light reflection milling with pick-to-plate software requires the highest precision for a brilliant result. Even this demanding processing of HPL compact panels for facade and interior construction is no problem for Evolution. With the optional Quattro HSK package, the Evolution 7402 format becomes an all-rounder and gets you ready to implement countless design ideas. The powerful 10.3 kilowatt, 14 horsepower HSK spindle and the 4-position tool changer with different milling cutters allow not only edge profiling but also complex surface processing such as profiles, grooves, points or lettering. A manual tool change is also possible at the push of a button. In addition, the pockets for the Lamello P-System connectors can be inserted with the matching toolset from HOLZ-HER. In the surface, the arc pocket is milled using a pre-installed macro program and a special pin milling cutter. The Clamex pockets are inserted into the workpiece edges with the matching milling disc. It is so easy to fit furniture with modern connector technology. The door package, which has been specially created for the Evolution 7402 with the Quattro HSK option, also allows the processing of flush-fitting interior doors. A door leaf blank can be formatted as required, and the handle hole, the lock case, and the pockets for the hinges can be individually adapted to the fittings used. Whether you program individual parts in the Campus NC Hops software or, as shown here in the example of Pallet CAD, transfer the furniture of a complete room from the CAD CAM system to the warehouse database of the X-Cut module. The clarity of all components of the orders to be produced and the unique simplicity of the software operation is always given. One push of a button is enough to send the workpieces to the machine as jobs sorted by strip width. With the X-Cut package for Evolution, the vertical CNC automatically generates the required workpieces from previously longitudinally cut plate strips. With the X-Cut package, you completely avoid the otherwise necessary crosscuts. The software for the X-Cut mode lists all pending jobs on the machine. This gives the machine operator a perfect overview of all jobs and the required strip material. The machine operator only has to place the plate strip requested by the software and start the respective job. With this processing method, the strips are measured fully automatically, checked for plausibility, cut to length and finished. A second length laser automatically recognizes the end of the panel. If necessary, a remnant piece is produced which the machine operator can then easily remove. The height of the strip material is also optimally utilized and, if necessary, a remnant piece is cut off. Workpieces can of course also be processed as semi-finished products. Panel strips with edge banding are stored temporarily and are finished on the X-Cut machines without any tearing using a special semi-finished product macro. With the optional Easy Label printer, labels with important information such as edge position, component description and commission are generated. Efficient furniture production with the X-Cut package is that easy. The Evolution 7402 format, the flexible machining center from HOLZ-HER. Contact your HOLZ-HER sales partner and create freedom and growth perspectives for your business.